Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about the yen index. This is the yen index chart, my 40-minute chart, 33-minute actually, this one. I use a special chart for this yen index especially because it's very powerful. Anyway, so Elliott wave count, this is a chart I made on the 28th May, which was last Saturday. And then Sunday I do my webinar, so I show these charts and explain to my subscribers that what need to be done and what it is and what the Elliott wave and calculation and all of that. So this is the chart, and I have this Elliott wave count here, and we're supposed to go. Well, this is the final chart actually, a current chart, but this is the chart I made. See, it was the 20th, and it was here. This is the recorded chart. And I wrote down here that if this thing starts to go up, what will happen is that all yen pairs will go up to the upside. Why? Because yen is always, in each and every single pair is on the right-hand side. And if the right-hand side currency gets weaker, the pair goes up. Yen index, when it goes up, yen gets weaker in actuality. All the other indexes, when they go up, the currency gets strong. But yen is just the opposite. I don't know why, but it is. So when yen index goes up, yen gets weaker. All yen pairs supposed to go to the upside. Let's go take a look one by one what the heck happened. See, first of all, this is where it is. It is 61.56. Currently, it is at 61.88. Not much of a difference, right? But it did went up, right? Did go up. And like I said, that it is very strong compared to the other index. Means the index moves a little bit, pair moves a lot. All right, so let's take a look what happened to the pairs then. If I said that all yen pairs are supposed to go up, when it goes to the upside, this, right? So this one went up a little bit, index. So start with the Aussie yen first. Okay, this is Aussie yen 4-hour chart. I'm showing you the 4-hour chart, and see these white lines here. This is pointing from the candle. This is daily open. So for example, day open here, and then it went up, and then the next day opened with this candle, and it came down and went up again, and then the next. So 30th, May 30, today. This is the one. With this candle it started and it went up. Okay, as I said, CAD yen, this is where it started the Monday, and it went up so far as of now, 5:40 p.m. Eastern time. Excuse me. Franc yen, they started here, went up. Euro yen, May 30 started from here, went up. Pound yen started here, went up. USD yen started this with this blue golden candle. It came down a little bit and then it went up. And New Zealand yen, May 30th with this candle went up. You see that? So this is the beauty about the index. And if you can catch the direction in the index, then this market is under your feet. You can literally have pick and choose. And by the way, I had this one, 80 pip, pound yen, you know why now, and USD yen 65 pip. All the other, today was Monday, and I was very busy making the charts to do the webinar and all that. So I didn't open up all the other yen charts. Aussie yen, it was open and I was watching, but I had Aussie yen trade already on Friday. And Monday, it just went up. It didn't bother giving me the entry. So I don't have anything on that. Yeah, others probably gave the entry, but I wasn't watching the chart. Like Franc yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen, I wasn't watching them. Only Euro yen even, I wasn't. The chart was not open. Only USD yen and pound yen, and both I got entry on both of them. 80 pip there, 65 here. So this is the power of watching the index. And I have charts made for every index, like, not only yen, but, USD index, for example. Let me see if I can show you the USD index quickly. USDX weekly chart, right? So I made the chart here. Let's say I'm pretty sure this is the one. You see this one? I said on the 7th, I made the chart for USD index, and I said that it's gonna go up first, hit the 78%, and then drop. Let me show you what the heck happened to this right now. It did exactly as I said that it went up a little bit, hit 78%, and so far, look how it dropped. All right. It is, by the way, it is at, if you pull the fib from bottom to top here, this rise here, it is exactly at 50%, sitting at 50%. And chances are that probably is going to make, if it doesn't drop more and go to 61%, then it will make the turn and then go to 23% line, which is this one here, which is around 0926. And then it will probably come down back to 78% to this level here to 0219, big level here. 0219 is, this is the one here, right there. Okay, so this is my monthly chart. That's what I made the chart when it was here. And look, this monthly candle, this is how it's going to close, and more to come, right? So, and if I'm expecting this, what do I expect? Yet USD getting weaker, and then as USD gets weaker, then you have 4 pairs going up, means Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and NZD USD. USD on the right hand side, they will go up. 3 pairs, USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc will go down. That's how it is. Let me show you if that's what's happening. Euro USD is supposed to go up. Look at that. 4-hour chart. Pound USD supposed to go up. Aussie USD supposed to go up. NZD USD supposed to go up. And then CAD, Yen, and Franc supposed to go down. CAD, boom. USD Yen, boom. USD Franc, boom. You see that? All I had to do is that find the direction in USDX, which I did. So how hard it is to just find the entry and make the entry, that's it. 7 trades, big trades, and several trades, by the way. It's not just one day. This is 1 week, and this is the 2nd week, and the 3rd week is underway. So every day you have a different trade, and each and every pair. All right, so this is how it is. So just wanted to share with you guys. If you like what you saw, you want to learn how to do it and what it is, then go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you really want to learn everything like support, resistance, harmonic patterns, by the way, let me show you the power of harmonic pattern. I was, I made the chart, I was watching it, and then, man, it went so beautifully. Look at this chart here that I made, Bitcoin chart here. Where the heck is that? What chart? Okay, weekly chart here. See, this is the chart I made. You know, so from here it's gonna go up there, right? But look at this chart here. This one here. What is it? Let me see. Hold on just a minute. Here. Okay. You see that the first pullback is exactly at 61%. Then it went up to exactly 23% line, and then came down to 78%. That's a perfect Gertle pattern, by the way, bullish Gertle. Let me show you that real quick, that this is how it is. I'm supposed to open ahead of time, but see, this is how it is. X, A, B at 61%, C at 23%, D at 78%, and boom, it goes, right? Look what happened. All the way in the bottom, it was a bullish Gertle, and from there on, boom. Right, so I had a trade here. I forgot to save the chart. So I had an here from here. Look at that. So this was, the first one was this one. Then I had an entry here. Then I had an entry here, and all of that going, and then I had an entry here, and so far, look what happened. So this is a system. This was a beautiful entry here. This is a beautiful entry here. All of that. So when it is going up, it's going up, right? And similarly, by the way, Ethereum, I have a very good chart on that, and that thing is gonna bounce anytime here. Oh, it already did. See, it was all the way in the bottom when I made the chart, and see this golden candle. So that's how it is. Let me see if this is not much, but you know, this is probably gonna go up fast. So anyway, so yen index, you saw the yen index, and so far what happened to this chart, and all yen pair, like I said, they went up. I had a long on pound yen and USD yen. I could have taken all the yen pairs, but you know, like I said, over the weekend, I made almost like 40 charts and indexes, templates, and then put them together in the folder. And doing the analysis like this, you know, it's not that easy. I mean, you know, like for example, this, you know, doing all this work and then analysis, and then, you know, find out where the heck this thing is going to go, you know, that tired me up. So, but anyway, you know, I have no complaint. 2 trades, fine. And I have some other trades, you know, like pound cat to short side and all the other. But I just wanted to show you the yen index chart, and I have written here that all yen pairs going to go up, and they all went up, right? So this is how it is. Again, like I said, that, you know, you want to learn, go on my website, and I have even a one-on-one option over there where I teach over the Zoom 10-hour course where I can make you master of all this, the harmonic pattern, NZDJPY, SNR level, how to find these direction. And after that, the whole market is like in your pocket. You can trade. You can, with this system, you can trade not only the currency, but you can commodities and oil and all the other things, the stocks and crypto, anything you can have on MT4. This system works. Just have to change the brick size. That's all. And I have done brick sizes like I said, S&P 500 and DAX. They have completely different brick size, and they are also very beautifully. Go into the website. Let me just show you. I don't trade those, but you can only do so much, to be honest with you. So, but I do make the charts, and I show it to my subscribers and all that, whoever needs it. Let me show it to you that what the heck is that? It's no. Look, this is the one that I made the chart. The wave one is going to end up here then. But let me S&P 500. Where's the 20-minute? Oh, here. Okay, this is how the entries came out. See, S&P 500 20. You know, this was an entry, but didn't produce much because it dipped, right? So you got out at break even because the system requires you open a trade here and you put an SL here. That's it. 25 pips. If it goes in your way, fine. If not, fine. Right? But if you lose only 25 pips. So here, it went up there. So I came and sit on a break even, and it knocked me out at break even. Some people ask me questions that I only show my positive trades and never show the negative. What am I gonna do showing negative? Because the trade was open here. It went up. I was sitting on a break even. Sometimes, I'm sitting at 10 pip or 5 pip risk. The price comes back and take me out. So I lose 5 pip, 10 pip, or most of the time I'm out at break even. And now I don't have a trade. So, and then I take another entry, and that's the one goes in my way, and that's the one I show. So what is the reason showing all this nonsense here where I didn't do nothing except waste time, right? So I'm not here to show or teach how to lose trade. I'm just going to show this winning trade so that you can see that this setup gives you a winning entry and how far this thing can go. This is, by the way, S&P 500. Look at the DAX 20-minute chart with that over here. This is the entry on the 26th. This is the entry on 26th, and this is on the 27th, last Friday, Thursday and Friday game. So far, we are here. So that's how it is. Okay. So, and every single entry you see, it is by the book, means I have to have 4 conditions. If the 4 conditions are, for example, you're not going to see me make an entry here or anywhere here. Never, because this indicator is not down. So I don't take it. This is not an entry either, because it's not touching the yellow line, the price. The indicator is down, but this is not right. This is good, right? But now it's the move is very extended, so it's not worth going long here. So I'm going to wait for a bigger chart retracement and so on and so forth. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading day or week. Sorry. Let me